Before the first breath of existence, there was only the void. A boundless silence stretched across the infinite reaches of the dark, primordial space. In this realm of nothingness, a single pulse began to beat. A distant light, faint and mysterious, flickered at the very heart of the chaos. Then, from the shadows, a majestic presence emerged. The Creator, a being of pure radiance, stood against the backdrop of the eternal night. With a gentle yet powerful gesture, the divine hand reached out. The silence was broken by the first sound of creation's awakening command. A massive shockwave of golden light erupted, rippling through the darkness. It shattered the void, birthing the first seeds of the stars. Galaxies began to spin into existence, their celestial arms reaching across the heavens like rivers of diamond dust and burning fire. Among the swirling clouds of gas and dust, molten spheres began to take shape. These were the foundations of worlds yet to be named. The heat was immense, a fierce glow against the cold vacuum. Land and fire danced together in the violent symphony of planetary birth. As the ages passed, the fires began to fade. The great cooling swept over the world, and the first clouds formed in the atmosphere. Steam rose in massive plumes as the heavens opened. Torrential rains fell for centuries, filling the deep basins of the cooling crust. Vast oceans settled, reflecting the light of the new sun. The cradle of life was prepared, waiting for the touch of the divine. Beneath the surface, tectonic plates shifted with the force of giants. The earth groaned as it began to reshape itself once more. Towering, jagged mountain ranges rose toward the sky, their peaks piercing the heavy mists of the young and wild atmosphere. The Creator hovered over a barren valley, looking upon the stone and water. It was time for the world to breathe. With a single word, the brown earth was transformed. Lush emerald forests exploded into existence, racing across the plains like wildfire. Flowers bloomed in a riot of color, and ancient trees reached their branches toward the warmth of the life-giving sun. Sunlight finally broke through the heavy clouds, illuminating the world in a golden embrace. The darkness was officially a memory of the past. Crystal-clear rivers carved their paths through the hills, and magnificent waterfalls cascaded down the cliffs into the valleys below. The world was a masterpiece of nature, a vibrant tapestry of life and beauty created from the heart of the void. From the height of low orbit, the planet shone like a jewel of blue and green miracles spinning in the vastness of space. The Creator watched the work and saw that it was good. The divine purpose had been fulfilled in every leaf and stone. Slowly, the divine presence began to fade, dissolving into the very air and light of the world they had brought to life. Though the figure was gone, the miracle remained. A world of wonder, born of darkness, destined for an epic and eternal journey.